21 years ago this week, the World War, the First World War, came to an end. 21 years, and the nations are again in arms. Let's turn back the clock to those days to see how San Francisco reacted to war. 1917, the corner of 3rd and Market Streets. Across the street, a giant American flag is unfurled, a signal that the United States has declared war on Germany. In the street, in their homes, the people of San Francisco celebrate. Some of them cheer, some shout, others curse or weep. But most of it's cheering, for America is glad to be in the fight. It knows little of what awaits the Yankee doughboys over there. San Francisco's manpower joins the struggle. Young Americans are drafted or volunteer, and the first contingents of citizen soldiers march down Market Street, the road to the Western Front. Company after company, block after block, they march. San Francisco's offering to the First World War. The public buildings, the theaters, the stores are decorated for the men of the Army. The city sends them off with good wishes, with some tears, but mostly with smiles. They're the soldiers of freedom, going to make the world safe for democracy. Along the Embarcadero, the young men of San Francisco in long khaki-clad ranks. No experienced soldiers, these. They're boys from the offices, the factories, the universities, the streets. From Nob Hill and south of Market, going off more to a great game than to bloody war. This, then, is San Francisco, 1917. Now, San Francisco, 1918, 21 years ago this week. The armistice is signed, the war is over. Into Market Street for the men and women of the city to celebrate. Up and down the street they parade, delirious with joy. For some of them have come to know the meaning of war. Grotesque and ugly in their influenza masks, the people of San Francisco celebrate. You've seen the signs they carry. Kaiser Wilhelm is Sweet William now. Who's afraid of the Huns? Some of them signs of hate, most of them just outpourings of a great joy. For this day, November 11th, 1918, marks the end of an era of hate and bloodshed and violence. It's the beginning of peace and goodwill on earth. And those who have died have not died in vain. They've died to make the world safe for democracy. They've swept to victory in the war to end war. And so San Francisco celebrates in 1918 because the war is over, and there'll never be another.